Hey, what's up guys? This is Kitchen Confidence, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make clarified butter. To make clarified butter, all we need is butter and a pot. So I've got half a pound of butter here. We're just going to get it to the stove and set it into the pot to melt down. All we need to do is melt this down, but you don't want to melt it too fast to the point where it's going to burn. Once the butter begins to melt, we're going to be able to separate it from the butter fat and the milk solids. One of the benefits to cooking with clarified butter is that it won't burn as easily as when you're using whole butter, because the milk solids start to burn and you will get that burned, bitter butter flavor. But once you clarify the butter and separate it, the butter fat will be able to stand up to about 400 or so degrees before it burns. Alright, so the butter's melted down now. You can see there's a bit of scum on top. So I'm just going to take my skimmer, take that out. And now basically this is done. But you can see that there is now a separation in the butter. You've got milk solids down below and you've got the nice butter fat on top. The butter fat is what you're going to want to strain off and use. So you can see the milk solids down below gets a little bit cloudy there, but up top we've got this butter fat, and that is exactly what we're going to take out of here. And see, if I were to go down, and you get that little cloudy bit right there, that's the solid, and you don't want that. So you can either pour this off or use a ladle, and I'm just going to do a little bit of both. I'm just going to pour this carefully because I don't want to get any of the milk solids in here. And the more you pour, the more you're going to be able to see that milk solid clearly. I've got a good bit right there. I'm just going to keep pouring until I get close to the solids. Right there, that's about good. Alright, so maybe I didn't need the ladle, but right there you've got a bowl of clarified butter ready to use for any of your cooking needs. Alright guys, that's the video. Clarified butter, I hope you guys try it. It's really easy to do, and you can use it for just about anything. So try it for yourselves, and hopefully it'll work out for you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you next week with another cooking video. And remember, kitchen confidence starts with you.